Jake and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water still, laughing loud with happy cheers.
Do you want to learn how to use Suno AI to create these type of songs? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first head over to suno.com, sign up, and then click on create. On here, you can give a song description, or if you have lyrics, you can put the lyrics here and the style of music, title, and generated. What we are going to do is use the lyrics. So for that, I'm going to go into ChatGPT and ask it to create a lyrics for us. And just like that, ChatGPT has created a full lyrics for us from verse 1 to final chorus. So I'm just going to copy this whole thing and paste it in Suno AI here in the lyrics section. In the style of music, I'm going to say kids nursery rhymes. I'm just going to say in the style of music, kids nursery song. And in the title, just type anything, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to write in Jack and Jill and create. So here it has created 2 of these songs. Let's take a listen to them.
Jake and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water still, laughing loud with happy cheers, skipping high without any fears. Oh, Jake and Jill so full of fun, climbing high beneath the sun. Hand in hand they play all day in the meadow far away.
Okay, that sounds good. I'm going to check the second one as well.
Jake and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water still, laughing loud with happy cheers, skipping high without any fears. Oh, Jake and Jill so full of fun, climbing high beneath the sun. Hand in hand they play all day.
Okay, I think this one was much better than the first one. Now select which song you want to download, the first option or the second option. Let's say I select on the second one, and down here on the bar, you're going to find these 3 dots. Click this, and then you will see download. You'll have audio here. Click on it, and then it's going to download this audio file of this exact song to your computer. And then you also have an option to extend the song. So you can just click on extend and extend the song from here. Now, another thing that you can do with this is in the lyrics, you can ask it to make an intro. In the brackets, just write intro, and I can copy this, and on the bottom, I'm going to just paste this again. And instead of intro, I'm going to say outro. And now let's create it again. Now these songs are going to have an intro first, and then the actual song will play.
Jake and Jill went
Jake and Jill went up the hill to fetch.
So this is how you can use Suno AI to create these type of kids songs or any type of song in general. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.